Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality uh, classified ad submission backlink, and also we can create a do follow profile backlink on this website. Okay, so this site is related for the I guess I haven't idea exactly. You guys will explore and let me know. Drive sales, build relationships, 6 ways. I don't have idea about this website category nature, but these two things we can do on this site. And before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 57, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 35, and the spam score is 7%. So it's considerable. And if we can check, so this website having 6.6K monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India, Vietnam, Pakistan, USA, UK, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase a crawlability, audience traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your classified ad submission and your profile creation. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the register button, and there we can create our account. So there you can add your username, your email address, then you guys will choose your password, and after that you can verify the captcha. Click on the create account button, and you will see our account is created. So first you guys will change this website language into English, and you can click on the edit profile button, and from there we can do some modification in our profile. So there you can add your first name, and which name do you wanting to display. So job interview, and there you can add your website URL. There we can add our short description. So this is the description, so let me use this. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. And there you can add your social media username only. So for the Twitter, we can add our Twitter username, and there we can add our Facebook username. So this is a Facebook username, and the while doing editing in your profile, you guys will when you are going to update your profile, you can remove your new password. Okay, then after that you can click on the update your profile. So you will see profile is successfully updated, and if you wanting your profile landing page URL, so you can click on the username, and this is your profile landing page URL. If I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is 100% instant approved backlink, and this is our website URL and the description. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. Okay, so now the next thing we can explore how we can publish a classified ad in this site. Okay, so first you guys will click on the post and ad button, and there you will see you can select your category. So our category is recruitment, so let me check if is this available or not. And I have selected my category, and you will choose another any option. Then after that you can click on the go button, and there we can update our classified ad details. So let me convert the language into English, and there we can add our title. So title, let me use this string line hiring. The pricing should be 0, and there we can add our address details. Okay, sorry, so let me only use this, and there you can add your city. So city is Mintonka, state is Minnesota. So first let me select the country. Only the limited country they have, so we can just select the randomly, and there we can add our tag as well, and in the description section where there we can use our description. So let me use this description, and also I can include my website URL in the classified, and if you wanting you can attach any of images with your classified ad. So for example, let me use some of the screenshots of my website, and after that you can click on the continue button. Again, you can click on the continue terms and condition. Then you can click on the view your new ad listing. You can click on this. Yeah, so this ad is waiting to be approved by an administrator. So this site, this classified would be the need approval. So there for this company, for this website, there a team has been review your classified, and if this aligned with their guideline, then they will going to approve your classified. Okay, so overall this is the process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go on to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.